Finding a successful niche and effectively marketing to it is a lot harder than it sounds, and that's why some people shy away from affiliate marketing. Don't run away from a golden opportunity if being an affiliate is really what you want to do. You only need some accurate information on how to effectively target your audience and drive traffic. Watch this video for the latest tips on how to drive traffic to your affiliate links for the offers you are featuring. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard-to-spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. Before signing up for any affiliate program, see if the program has a reputation for what is called commission shaving. Some dishonest affiliates shave commissions, which is affiliate marketing jargon for not crediting all sales that were referred by your affiliate ID. This is an inexact science since you depend on the company to accurately report this data, but it is possible to note suspicious activity. Can you possibly advertise two competing affiliate products on your website? Believe it or not, the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, competing products offer a good content-generating strategy. You can always review them head-to-head. You just need to give a balanced impression, emphasizing that each product has its own strengths. That way visitors can find reasons to buy either product. When you're working on any affiliate marketing campaign, writing content is going to be very important. Make sure that you're always keeping your sentences short. Short sentences are easy to read sentences. Long sentences with lots of punctuation can confuse readers. And not to mention, that long sentences are bad for links. Affiliate marketing can be summed up with 2 P's, patience and persistence. Not only do you have to plug away at various methods in order to effectively market your products, but you also have to be patient. If you think Rome took a long time to build, just imagine trying to create a successful business without a product. It takes drive and time to be an affiliate. To be successful at affiliate marketing, match your product to your website. It is important to know who is actually visiting your website. Once you have figured out the demographics of who visits your site, you can then figure out what they want to buy. Find affiliate programs who carry products that your target audience wants. Any affiliate program worth its weight in salt offers real-time sales statistics, so use this as a sign of a program worth joining. I would never recommend joining any program that doesn't offer these kinds of stats, as it may be a fly-by-night scam and not worth your time. Don't forget to use this information as part of your marketing strategy. Too many banner ads on affiliate marketing website not only confuses people, it makes them more frustrated when they cannot find what they are looking for. Limit the number of banners and links. Consumers will not visit your site again if they are put off by the number of confusing links and banners. You should think about improving how you rank in search results. This means more people will visit your website. Use keywords related to what you sell and provide quality content on your website. Learn more about search engine optimization to find out how you can get more visits and make more sales. Promote products from different vendors. As an affiliate, it can be beneficial to diversify in case any problem arises. This way you can use a variety of techniques and methods to get your customers to buy. You can discover which products work best for you and your visitors, which will result in higher profits for you. Choose your merchants wisely. There are several different niches that you could follow in affiliate marketing, and to each niche, there are several merchants as well. Ensuring that your affiliates are promoted appropriately, you want to choose merchants that are within the same niche as you are, something that is related to your overall interests. Understand that you are going to have to put time into your site. A lot of people are dazzled by the idea of making $1,000 a week without doing any work. That is possible, but not until you have built your site and reputation up to the point where you don't have to do much. Getting to that level requires significant time investments, and if you aren't ready to put in the time, this may not be the business for you. Affiliate marketers should understand the referrals are not only great for your site, but they benefit all your affiliate marketers as well. Make sure you give proper credit to your marketers, as this will increase customer loyalty and give you a better reputation in your industry. This could lead to better deals down the road. Encourage people to join your list by offering a prize for a few lucky subscribers. The prize does not need to be a huge giveaway. A small gift or bonus is enough to get people excited about the possibility of winning. Once people are on your list, they will be satisfied and will stay because of your great content. Get a PDA or smartphone so that you can check your email while you're out. Affiliate marketing is a job where you have to keep track of what is going on with your website all the time, so signing up for alerts from your website host when your site goes down is very important, even when you're out. Once you have absorbed this information and realize that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business that you can operate, you can begin to work on your plan to become a successful marketer. Pay attention to tips like we covered here and you inch closer to that goal you thought was so elusive. To wrap up this video, let me know which tip you liked the most. Leave a comment below the video. I read and also respond to all comments whenever necessary. See you in the next video. Cheers.